Mostly want to optimize the RAM just because this thing only have 8 gig. Biggest downside of this PC. So let's go ahead and select the 8 gig RAM. It's going to apply the tweaks, and there we go. We have the tweak applied. Let's actually overclock the GPU on this PC. This PC does have an AMD graphics card, so let's go ahead and click on AMD. And I'm basically just going to overclock the graphics card. So after tweaking this Temu PC up, now the max FPS this PC can get is actually getting around 215 FPS. But the biggest problem is the frame drops aren't like completely gone.